Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss the topic pneumonia, and this topic comes under the subject medical biotechnology. So let's start. Uh, Pneumonia is an infection of lungs. So when your lungs get infected, the inflammation in air sacs is there. So the air sacs may be either one side or both sides. The air sacs may fill with the pus, causing cough with the pus and fever, chills, and difficulty in breathing. So actually the pneumonia do not have only single causative agent. Many causative agents can cause the pneumonia, and it is basically the infection. The infection may be bacterial, viral, or fungal, but they affect the lungs. So the sign and symptoms of the pneumonia is, because it is infects the lungs. So the chest pain is there, cough, which may produce the bulgum, and shortness of breath, fatigue, fever, sweating and shaking, chills, and the temperature may be lower than the normal body temperature in the older age persons and the persons with the weak immunity. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and in few cases the confusion or changes in mental awareness may be seen. So the sign and symptoms basically they depends that how is the severity of disease. Is it mild, moderate, or severe? So the factors which affect the sign and symptoms are the type of germ, means it is caused caused by which germ, bacteria, virus, fungus, or if bacteria, then which bacteria. The other are the age and health, which affect the sign and symptoms of the disease. So the mild signs and symptoms offer are similar to those of cold and flu, but they are difference is that they are last longer. And in newborns, you may not see the usual symptoms. They just vomit, and they feel restless and tired, without energy, and have difficulty in breathing and eating. So let's talk about the causes of the disease. So as I already told that it may be bacterial, fungal, viral, or mycoplasma mediated. So bacteria, the Streptococcus pneumoniae is the bacteria can cause the lung infection. In the mycoplasma pneumoniae is there. If you talk about the fungus, then most people in with chronic health problem or weakened immune system, and in the people who have inhaled large doses of the organism. So it is the very common pneumococcal by the fungus. The fungi that cause it can be found in soil, in bird droppings, and very depending upon the geographic location. So which geography location you are living affects the presence of the fungal infections. So viruses, talk about the viruses. Some of the viruses that cause the colds and flu can cause the pneumonia. Very recently, the coronavirus COVID-19 also caused the pneumonia, and it can become severe if your immunity is weak. So hope you are satisfied with this detailed session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.